Hey guys, welcome back to my channel where I talk about different stuffs related to anime and manga. So, in today's video we will be talking about India's Laddu eating hero and why many people hates him. Well, I personally have no grudge for him and agree that Chhota Bheem is one of the successful Indian cartoons that somehow helped in the growth of the animation industry in India. But we can't deny the ill effects of this Laddu eater either. So, to get in more details, we have to turn the pages of history. This is the start of 21st century. TV is airing shows like Batman the Animated Series, Doraemon, Kitretsu, Tom and Jerry, The Pink Panther, Avatar The Last Airbender, Courage the Cowardly Dog, and many others. The children are getting quality as well as informative shows to watch. But then in the year 2008, we get Chhota Bheem. Being the first Indian cultural-centered cartoon, it gained a huge popularity and is growing ever since. Now, the question arises, if Chhota Bheem is such a popular show, then why people hate it? Well, there are many points that can support this argument. The first one being its superfood Laddu. Intentionally or not, this cartoon promotes Laddu eating as a way to gain strength, which isn't a good choice for children. Second, due to Chhota Bheem, kids are untouched from anime. Those who love watching Chhota Bheem have never seen anime, and this is a brutal fact. Anime shows a wider aspect of the story where even side characters have their own backstory, but Indian cartoons have nothing such content to show. Third, Chhota Bheem has always been the same. Its storytelling hasn't changed a bit, though the animation has, whereas various anime characters like Naruto, Goku have grown with the audience, but Chhota Bheem is the same 9 years old from the last 13 years. This is the same with Pokemon, but we get to see diversity there. Also, the characters are very straightforward and one-dimensional, which means Bheem and his gang are always right and every time end up at the winning side. This makes the character not much believable, except Kalia, who genuinely I feel has a flawed character and quite interestingly written character, enjoyed both good and bad qualities. Even the first ever Indian anime, Karma Chakra, created by Studio Durga, needs the votes of anime viewers to deliver their first ever Indian anime. This is our chance to support anime production in India so that the future generations have some good stuff to watch. You can support by voting on the community tab. Links is available in the description box. Well, Chhota Bheem has many moral values associated with its story, but the same goes with anime, where we learned about the importance of hard work, friendship, truth from Dragon Ball, Naruto and various other animes. Also, Chhota Bheem has a religious connection with the people like Lord Krishna and Hanuman having appearance in the show, giving this show a major boost which can't be seen in anime cause they are from Japan. Chhota Bheem has become an easy target for roast videos due to its incapability to satisfy the growing audience. Teens start to lose their interest in Chhota Bheem, and when introduced to anime, it fills the gap that Chhota Bheem wasn't able to. Chhota Bheem may be a masterpiece for younger generations. It combines the traditional Indian storytelling setting, that is the once upon a time style, kings, magics, demons, with the modern cool stuff like kung fu, zombies, aliens, time machines, ninjas, etc. But its inability to grow with its audience and illogical context surely lowers down its rating. Green Gold as a major animation house should consider these flaws and work on it. They have all the resources to change the course of history. If they want to, Chhota Bheem can become a true masterpiece for every generation. What we need is a small change. Thank you guys for watching this video and thank you for the 200 subscribers. Keep on supporting me by subscribing and clicking the bell icon. Don't forget to like if you agree with me and comment down your views regarding our Laddu eating hero. See you guys in the next video and take care.